Primary 5 Red Swastika mid-year exams year 2019. Kim gave 1/3 of her savings to her mother. She then bought some dresses for $177 and spent $129 on a pair of earrings. After that, she found that the amount of money left was half of what she gave her mother. How much was her savings? Alright, so let's draw a model to visualize what is happening. So her savings for now can be put into 3 parts, out of which one part is given to the mother. Okay, so this section here is given to the mother. She then bought some dresses for $177, so she spent that money, along with a pair of earrings, $129 for that. And after that, she found that she was left with half of what she gave her mother. Now, for the mother, we know that it is only one box right here. So if we want to know how much she had left, it will just be half of this. So we can actually solve this effectively by drawing a model first, right, which we have done, and subsequently dividing these boxes into 2. Alright, so when the question says that, hey, you're left with only half of what you gave your mom, means there's only one small box here that is left, which means that this section here will be the amount of money she spent, which is 3 units. So 3 units will be equivalent to 177 plus 129. Let's see what that amounts to. 177 plus 129, $306. So her savings is 6 units. It's a question mark. You can immediately find the savings by multiplying by 2 on both sides, right? Why? Because 3 times 2 is indeed 6 units, okay? So we can just take $306 times 2. $612 is our final answer. Or if you want, you can also, of course, find 1 unit first. That's also fine. There is also other ways to complete this, such as, making the denominators the same. So 1/3 and half here is make it to 6. And that is a fraction method as well available. But this question can actually be solved effectively by drawing a model.